Hello, welcome to KS Motors and Transport. My name is King Sammy. I'm the king of Mavila. Yeah, today we have Mazda 3 2013 model to show you. Let's go. Hi, welcome to KS Motors and Transport South African branch. Today we are doing a review for Mazda 3 2013 model, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start this way. Number one thing I love about the car is the lights. The lights are looking stunning and they are so beautiful. This video is sponsored by KS Motors and Transport South Africa branch. So here is the car, and I love the rim. The rims are looking beautiful. I love everything is beautiful about the car. And what else I love about the car? And it's keyless entry. It's keyless entry. So if you are driving the car, you don't need to use a key for it. So then this is the front of the car, and I love the fog lights. Also the beauty of the lights. You can see the beauty of the light. So, and this is the other side of the car, and the car is available. It's available at KS Motors and Transport South African branch. And let's check the inside of the car. Here is the inside of the car. This is the inside of the car, and check it out. The car is so beautiful. I love the settings. And here you have the aux cable where you can put the aux for the car. And check the roof. Check it out. Check everything out. The car is amazing, and it's all power windows. And this is the back of the car. Here is the back of the car. And there's something I also like. I always love when a car has where you can put your drink and stuff. So here is the car. So here is the back of the car, and it's available. Call us today, KS Motors and Transport South African branch, and let's get inside the car. From inside the car, we have the power windows, all 4 power windows, and this is the locking for the windows. And here is the inside of the car. Let's show the view from the back. Let's show the view from the back. So, going to see the inside of the car right now. Here is the inside of the car. You see that? So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. So that's the inside of the car, and it's all power window. As I said, it's 1.6 engine. It's 1.6 engine, and it's amazing. So let's check the the engine. So now we're going to open the engine and see the engine. Ooh, do you see that? That's a machine, Baba. That's a machine. You see that? This is the engine of a car, and this is the cover for the battery. This is the cover for the battery. As you can see. So the car is available at KS Motors and Transport South African branch. And let's get all the door open and do the last review before we go for a test drive. So this is the side of the car. This is the front of the car. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today. This is the inside of the car. Yeah. And this is the back of the car. And so to open the boot, you just press the button and the boot will open. So that's how we open the boot for this car. So now we're gonna go for a test drive. Then that will be the end of the video. So if you're yet to subscribe, like, share and subscribe. KS Motors and Transport. We have amazing cars coming. So now we're going for test drive. So now we're ready to go. Are you ready? Let's go. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Can you hear that? That's a machine. Woo!